Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best soldering station for electronics, selected for their fast heat recovery, stable performance, and comfortable handling for circuit boards, repairs, and detailed soldering work with consistent professional-level results every time. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. FNIRSI DWS-200 Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS-200 Soldering Station is an impressive high-power soldering station designed for users who need fast heating, accurate temperature control, and dependable daily performance. With a powerful 200-watt output, this station heats up extremely quickly, making it ideal for electronics repair, PCB soldering, drone maintenance, and professional workshop use. One of its most attractive features is the HD color display that provides real-time temperature monitoring and dynamic curve visualization, allowing users to see heat fluctuations instantly while working. The adjustable temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius offers excellent flexibility for handling delicate microelectronics as well as larger soldering joints. Another strong advantage is its compatibility with F210 and F245 handles, giving users the freedom to use different tip styles depending on the project requirements. The Smart Sleep mode helps preserve soldering tip lifespan and improves energy efficiency, which is especially valuable for long working sessions. Number 2. AIXUN T320 Soldering Station. The AIXUN T320 Soldering Station stands out as one of the most advanced intelligent soldering stations available for precision electronics repair. Built with a 200-watt heating system and 2-second rapid heating capability, it is specially designed for mobile phone repair, motherboard work, and delicate micro-soldering applications. What makes this model unique is its innovative touch control technology, buttons, and replacing them with smart tip interaction controls. Users can quickly adjust temperature, switch memory channels, or pause heating simply by touching the sensor with the soldering tip. This futuristic approach makes operation faster and more convenient during professional repair work. The dynamic curve display provides real-time monitoring of both power and temperature, helping technicians maintain precise soldering conditions at all times. Compatibility with both T210 and T245 handles adds further versatility, allowing users to switch between fine detail and high-power soldering tasks easily. Another major advantage is its global voltage support.
Number 3. ALIENTEK T200 Soldering Station. The ALIENTEK T200 Soldering Station is a compact yet highly capable soldering station that combines portability, smart functionality, and impressive compatibility into a lightweight design. Weighing only around 550 grams, this station is perfect for users who need a mobile soldering solution without sacrificing performance. Despite its small size, the T200 supports an extensive temperature range from 80 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle everything from delicate electronic repairs to heavier soldering jobs. One of its most innovative features is the PD 3.0 Type-C 65-watt power support, which enables rapid startup and modern power flexibility using compatible USB-C adapters. This makes it extremely convenient for technicians working in different locations or limited workspace environments. The station also supports multiple heating core systems, including C115, C210, C245, and T12, making it highly versatile for different soldering styles and applications. Smart safety features such as automatic sleep mode, auto shutdown, and temperature management help protect both the soldering tips and the device itself during long-term use.
Number 4. SUGON T3602 Soldering Station. The SUGON T3602 Soldering Station is a professional-grade dual-station soldering solution designed for advanced electronics repair and rework tasks. Featuring a powerful 240-watt system, this station delivers stable heating performance and excellent temperature recovery during continuous operation. Its dual-station design is one of the biggest highlights, allowing users to perform soldering and desoldering tasks simultaneously, greatly improving workflow efficiency in repair shops and technical laboratories. The adjustable temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius ensures compatibility with a wide variety of electronic components, from small circuit boards to larger solder joints. Another major strength of the T3602 is its comprehensive accessory package, which includes multiple soldering tips, a calibrator, and a silicone work pad for better organization and convenience. The lead-free soldering support makes it environmentally friendly and compliant with modern safety standards, which is important for professional repair environments.
Number 5. IR6500 BGA Soldering Station. The IR6500 BGA Soldering Station is a highly specialized infrared rework system built for professional motherboard and BGA chip repair applications. With a total power output of 1,250 watts, this machine is designed to handle demanding reballing, chip replacement, and advanced PCB repair tasks with precision and efficiency. One of its strongest features is the dual infrared heating system, which includes independent upper and lower heaters for accurate thermal control. The station supports multiple temperature stages and savable profiles, allowing technicians to create custom heating processes for different repair scenarios. Closed-loop temperature control technology ensures stable and precise heating with excellent uniformity, reducing the risk of PCB damage during sensitive repairs. The integrated workbench design helps maintain a clean and organized workspace while securely holding the motherboard in place to prevent deformation. And that wraps up the top 5 best soldering station for electronics. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.